Good morning. Well, I'm walking, as you can see, not on the bike, but I'm waiting for an Uber, and I'm going to go down and pick my bike up from the dealer. My Cfmoto 450 MT just had its first service, so I dropped it off yesterday afternoon, and I just got an SMS about 10 minutes ago saying it's ready. So I'll get an Uber down and we'll go and pick it up, and we might go for a ride. Well, let's just wait for the Uber man to arrive. He can't be too far away. According to the map, he was only about 3 minutes away when I booked it, and that's a minute ago, so it's going to be here in the old tick of the clock. It's a black Mercedes. Anyway, we'll wait here for it and jump in. Well, there he is over there, the black Mercedes. It's my lift. Okay, catch you down the motorcycle shop. Alright, so I've picked up my bike, first service. Spoke to my friendly service manager, Leon. Been doing business with Leon for probably 15 years, maybe even longer, with different bikes I've owned. Anyway, so that was the first service. So it's done, what has it got? It's 1,013 on it. I think it was about 1,009 kilometres when I dropped it off. So they've taken it for a ride, post-service ride to check it out. Anyway, it's first service over, done and dusted. The one thing they did do on the service, other than just the normal first service of oil filter and oil, change the oil in the oil filter, I got them to put in a 15 tooth front sprocket to replace the 14. Supposed to help a little bit with when you're doing high speeds, it revs a little bit less, supposedly. Anyway, I've done it, and we'll see what it's like. I think I might go for a ride. Where might I go for a ride? How about Hinze Dam? Might go to Hinze Dam. Quite warm. I've got my summer jacket on, first time in months and months and months. Oh, good one, mate. Yeah, good one. Idiot. I'll have to edit that out. Can't have swearing on the Villain Catcher channel. So what have I got? I've got 11 kilometres to go to Hinze Dam and the View Cafe. We're going to take the second left, which is Gilston Road. Not the first, but the second exit. And I could have taken the third exit, which probably would have been a little bit quicker, but not nearly as pretty. Alright, so it says 200 metres turn right. That's Gilston Hall. Gilston Public Hall. Yep, so here it is. So we're going to go over Latimer's Crossing. Turn right.
And then we'll follow this for a couple of kilometres over Latimer's Crossing, and it'll bring us back out on Narangma Willumbah Road, where we've got to turn left to go to Hinze Dam and the View Cafe. Just down here, there you go, road subject to flooding, Narang River, Latimer's Crossing. See the depth signs, and believe you me, she does go under. Some guys out on their bikes. And this also goes under from time to time, this flat bit here. It's a floodplain. So here we are, T-junction. We're going to turn left in Narangma Willumbah Road, Hinze Dam, the sign up the top there. And alright, so it's only 700 metres and we've got to turn left to Hinze Dam. Hinze Dam. Was mainly built this for, well, flood mitigation and water storage for the Gold Coast. But Hinze Dam is also connected to the water grid, the Southeast Queensland water grid, which connects this and Wivenhoe Dam and Little Narang Dam, I think, and some other dam in Brisbane, I can't recall the name. So they can literally pump water between all the dams. Whichever one needs it, they can pump water from one to the other. The theory is that Brisbane, Southeast Queensland will never run out of water. Well, hopefully that happens. That is the case, we never run out of water. You can see the dam wall, the height of it. And we'll go down here to the left. We are going to go to the right up that way. You'll see the spillway through there, I'll go and show you that. But this is a barbecue area down here, and you probably get a good view of the dam wall. There we go. You used to be able to drive over it. You can walk over it. It's wide enough for vehicles. You can do it on pushies and on foot. So let's go up and have a look at the spillway. I know there's nothing there. There's no water coming over the spillway. Anyway, I came here about 12 months ago and I flew the drone and I parked just here. In fact, I'll link that footage, I'll link that YouTube video of the drone. You can see what it's like from above Hinze Dam. Anyway, I came down, flew the drone, went home happy as Larry. Went to download the footage. No footage. What the hell? I had forgot to push the record button. So I came back 3 days later and recorded it. Yeah, look at the big hunk of concrete wall. See it? I'll just put the bike neutral. See, just there? Just there. Snapped off, broken off. Further down there's a little bit more too by the look of it. Oh, that's from the power of the water. Yes, I'll link that video in the description. Have a look at it, check it out. It's interesting to see what it looks like from the top. Some guys on their bikes out for a ride. Morning. Morning. Another bike. Alright, so here we are at the View Cafe. I'll go for a little bit of a walk and show you what the water level is. Come on mate, make your mind up, what are you going to do? Looking for a plot down there, aren't you? Parking spot. Motorcycles only, so it's good because I like for a motorcycle. No motorbike parking. No motorbike parking. We used to park here, and you can see how wide it is. There you go. Increase the Dam wall by 15 metres to 108 metre. Double the water storage. Completed 2011. Yeah, she's pretty full. Do you guys work here? Obviously you do. Do you know what the capacity is now? Yeah, I had a guess and I thought it would be probably 85, but I'll go with your 95, it's better.
Yeah, it's been a while, so it's probably getting there. But it's still,
Yeah.
still up.
We used to be able to ride across here on motorbikes and cars, but I was looking at the sign back there when they increased the height back 2006 and they finished at 2011. So I'm thinking that's probably when they stopped it. So I'm going to go and have a coffee. Anyway. I can see where we are. That's the dam wall. Yeah. Busy, busy, busy. Oh well, I'm going to get a coffee. Nice little table here for me. I'll come back to you when I've got my coffee.
Well, I have to say I'm not disappointed. The scone is absolutely delicious, fruit scone. Strawberry jam, cream, and yummy coffee.
Stop making like this.
So I picked my bike up and I came up here for a ride.
This man's the chef here.
Hey?
This man's the chef.
Oh, well, I thoroughly enjoyed the coffee and the fruit scone and jam and cream were top. Anyway, see you then. So that was my Uber driver. I thought I recognised him. He was the guy that picked me up from home and dropped me off at the motorcycle dealer. Nice guy. 84 years of age. He was telling me that he retired 14 or 15 years ago, got bored and started doing Uber driving 12 years ago. Said he used to own an aviation company, had helicopters and fixed wing planes, and anyway, nice guy, very interesting. Boy, the bikes are all out, look at them. And the way they're riding, some of them are boy racers, for sure. I like the car in front, it's a Jaguar. You know, it's a nice car, that's for sure, I like it. Look at it, oh, wow. XK, I think it says. Well, I hope you enjoyed that ride up to Hinze Dam and the View Cafe. After picking my bike up from first service, a nice way to go. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.